My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. In today's era, the younger generation's detachment from religion has become a significant tragedy. Everyone is preoccupied with worldly success, but attention toward religion is almost non-existent. If religion were truly insignificant, why did the prophets, peace be upon them, prioritize it above all else? In this video, we will discuss this issue in detail and highlight the importance of religion in the context of contemporary challenges. The importance of religious education. Lack of religious training for children. Parents are concerned about their children's worldly education, but neglect fundamental religious teachings such as Quranic recitation, prayer, and the study of hadith. Many children cannot even recite the Quran properly or perform prayers correctly. This negligence by parents is driving the younger generation away from religion. English medium schools and the absence of religious education. Parents enroll their children in English medium schools for better worldly education, but these institutions do not include religious teachings. Children learn the names of animals but are not taught about Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him. The parent-child relationship. Displeasing Allah to please creation. According to a hadith, whoever seeks to please people at the expense of Allah's displeasure, Allah imposes those very people upon them. By keeping their children away from religion, parents invite Allah's displeasure, and these very children later become a source of difficulty for them. Disobedience of children. In modern society, children do not respect their parents and often leave them in nursing homes. There are incidents in nursing homes where children refuse to even take responsibility for their parents' funeral arrangements. Teachings of the prophets. The example of Prophet Jacob, peace be upon him. On his deathbed, he asked his children whom they would worship after him, reflecting the prophet's concern for their offspring's faith. The example of Prophet Ishmael, peace be upon him. He used to enjoin prayer and charity upon his family, demonstrating the importance of religious upbringing. Questions on the Day of Judgment. Responsibility of leadership. According to a hadith, every individual is responsible for their subordinates, and they will be questioned about them on the Day of Judgment. Parents, teachers, supervisors, and others will be accountable for the religious condition of those under their care. The reality of sins. The Quran states, "Save yourselves and your families from the fire." Sins are, in essence, fire, but their temporary pleasures blind people. Practical steps. Prioritizing religious education. Teaching children. Quranic recitation, hadith, and prayer is essential. Parents should spend time with their children and focus on their religious upbringing. Perpetual charity and spreading knowledge. Righteous children, beneficial knowledge, and ongoing charity benefit a person even after death. Building religious schools, establishing Quranic study circles, and publishing Islamic books can contribute to this. Improving the environment. Parents should ensure their children are surrounded by a good religious environment to improve their morals and character. The younger generation's detachment from religion is a major cause of moral decline in society. Parents and the community must take collective, practical measures to address this issue. Raising children with a strong religious foundation is not just a responsibility, but a crucial question for accountability on the Day of Judgment. What are your thoughts? What additional steps do you think can be taken to solve this issue? Share your opinions in the comments and share this video widely to raise awareness in society.